just a moment. Yellow sky. When I was 17, a hurricane destroyed my town. I didn't drown. I couldn't seem to die. I wrote my way out. Wrote everything down far as I could see. I wrote my way out. I looked up and the town had its eyes on me. They passed and played around, and total strangers moved to kindness by my story. It's enough for me to a passage on a ship that was New York bound. I wrote my way out of hell, I wrote my way to revolution. I was louder than the crack in the bell. I wrote the lies of love letters until she fell. I wrote about the Constitution and defended it well. And in the face of ignorance and resistance, I wrote financial systems into existence. And my prayers to God, the name of ignorance, I picked up a pen, I wrote my own deliverance. In the eye of a hurricane there is quiet for just a moment. Yellow sky. I was 12 when my mother died. She was holding me. We were sick and she was holding me. Couldn't seem to die. I'll write my way out. Write everything down far as I can see. I'll write my way out. Overwhelmed and with honesty. This is the eye of the hurricane. This is the only way I can protect my legacy. The Reynolds Pamphlet.
Have you read this? Alexander Hamilton had a torrid affair, and he wrote it down right there. Right. The charge against me is a connection with one James Reynolds for purposes of improper speculation. My real crime is an effortless connection with his wife for a considerable time with his knowing consent. Damn! And I frequent meetings with her, most of them in my own house. Miss Hamilton and our children being absent on a visit to her father. No. Ham's gonna be president now. President. Ham's gonna be president now. President. Ham's gonna be president now. President. That's one less thing to worry about. It's one less thing to worry about.
I came as soon as I heard.
What? All the way from London? Damn!
Thank God someone who understands what I'm struggling here to do.